hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings. Leave it, it's fine. I dey find trouble. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, this is my life with 2 toddlers and pregnant again. With pregnancy, heavy pregnancy. Give me the book, thank you. I'll beat you. I'll beat you. So guys, let me just wake up from sleep. You're telling them. Oh. So Quincy just wake up from sleep and he wants to eat. That's why he's like this. Eat? And he wants to eat. Mommy, so... I think eating the other. Yes, come and stand. Come and say hi. Hi. You're not seeing your face now. Come, let them see your face. What do you say? Hi. Hi. Say good morning, ma. Good morning, ma. Say good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Bye. Bye. I love you. I love you. Mwah. Going to say hi, guys. Yes, guys. Going to on your mat. Hey, guys. They don't see your face. I can't see. You they don't see your face. They just follow your bed. Can't see. Who's laughing with you? Can't see. Guys, let me go and do something. Okay. Mommy, sit here. That's for you. I want to see that. Once you just put it inside Clinton's mouth, you just swallow it. What happened? Open your eye. Don't do your eyes like that again. So guys, to stock out children things is not easy again. No, the prices of things now in Nigeria is tripling or doubling. Okay, so the children likes this this what are they even calling it? I don't even know what to call it. Is peanuts, and then this one is my husband's drink. Very very expensive, guys. This cheese ball used to be bigger than this one. No, before. Now it carries air and small. It's like they used to even count it this time around, like 15 cheese ball or 20 cheese ball they will pour inside the carton. But as well, so we bought this carton of biscuit. Is my savior. So as at before, this carton of biscuits I think is sold for 850 or so. So but for now it's being sold for 250, 1,215 naira, and is actually has increased to 1,000, I think 115 or so. But it's plenty inside. That is it. So we had to buy our toothbrush. No matter how things are expensive, we are going to be brushing our teeth, and the children's toothpaste also. So we got this Chivita, what are they even calling it for the children, because it's more healthier. It has less sugar. For their school. Okay, the one we have here is about to finish, so we had to do this talking up. Guys, one thing is that children do not even want to know you have money. This digestive is another biscuit for them. It does not really have sugar like that, so we had to buy this digestive also for them. It's for school. It's for the school. So yeah, this is the things we actually bought. And guys, should I say we bought this thing with almost $20? Yeah, this is dispenser for trash. Guys, this is my last time I'm going to buy this because it has actually increased money. Colgate is for me and my family, okay, for me and my husband and any visitors that come, while this one, milk with teeth, for the children. Okay, so yes guys, with only this thing, should I say, only this way they see like this, should I say, is about 15 or $20, guys, which is approximately about 20,000 naira. 20, if it's 1,000 that is dollar, is 20,000 plus, or $15 is almost still around that 20,000 plus. So guys, the following, this is a week in my life. I went to Atlanta, enjoyed the day.
Justice reign, so we can all live long now, where peace and love shall reign. We all can end violence and bring in justice and peace. Stop gender-based violence out. Let's protect human rights. That's just the song. What the song is actually saying here is that save women's life and children. Let peace and justice reign, so we can all live long. Now, where peace and love shall reign, we all can end violence acts and bring justice and peace. Stop gender-based violence. Let's protect human rights. Human rights. Please, like this thing I said, it is very, very important. It might not be you, it might be your neighbor. You can advise your neighbor that this is what you heard in, the primary health facility. There are people that can, if you are afraid that when you come to say it, the man will drive you out of the house. There are provisions for accommodation. If you are that scared, there are provisions for accommodation to accommodate you. So don't be scared. The government is ready to help women that are undergoing this stress. Please. So can we